for Stackdriver Workspace of cloud operation. So previously it was known as cloud driver. Now it's known as cloud operation. So we will cover in following chapter: workspace, dashboard, service, matrix explorer, alerting, update checks, groups, setting, and overview. This lesson is introductory lesson for the Stackdriver. We have some depth lesson of Stackdriver upcoming section. So before going to Stackdriver, let's understand Google, also known as the acquiring of business and integrating their service with the service stakeholder. One of these, it started in 2012, and Google acquired Stackdriver in 2014. After 2020, Stackdriver was renamed to Cloud Operation. As this is an introductory lesson, we will cover up the Stackdriver and offering. So let's explore. So first one is a monitoring. So monitoring, it's the very first part of cloud operation of monitoring. Monitor resource from one or more projects. As a workspace tool, the monitoring resources contain one or more Google Cloud projects. AWS account also we can monitor here. As a Stackdriver, we can also monitor AWS account using AWS connector. Let's go through the sub menu, then open. So I'm going here. This is so monitoring groups, and we are covering here monitoring. So this is the monitoring. I click on monitoring. So under monitoring we have workspace, monitoring explorer, workspace. Okay, so I'm going here as it suggests, main menu, operation. So operation is, let me see where I can find operation. Cloud operation, database, big table, API, cloud scheduler, operation is here. So under operation we have monitoring. So I click on monitoring. So we workspace. So the monitoring workspace is one-stop solution to all monitoring requirement. Workspace is default monitoring host project known as the scoping project. There are two type of projects in the workspace: host project or scoping project and monitoring project. So this is Google project and AWS connector. We can see the AWS connector. So first part is we see this one, then second one is the dashboards. So dashboard is, you can see here dashboards, create dashboards, and the dashboard view, favorite, custom, GCP, integration, others, and there are several other templates. You can also select those things from here, and you can also create the dashboards. Previously I created this one. I can see the based on the group by and a lot of things. So dashboards, the dashboard is a combination of charts, right, created by GCP, custom, application, Amazon Web Service. Okay, and so this is a create, as I see, and the services, this one, let's go through, and then we need to choose this one. Okay, so next is service. This is the most an architecture level section, but service monitor is particular service level is objective, SLO is business term of how much you want to provide. We have committed 99% unique for particular software. Then out of 270 hours in a month, our service should up and minimum 716 hours. So service requirement is a user-defined service. It should be deployed using the Google Kubernetes engine. Service help to achieve the business level SLO. Matrix Explorer. So I'm going to service. So this service, you can define service, send feedback, and service level with SLO. So Matrix Explorer, this is Explorer and diagnosis configuration you can do, selects, and this one also can prepare charts. So this is what we have, and we can see, so Matrix Explorer is sort of a playground for analyzing and creating chart of different metrics. You can select any metrics related to resources type and add them any dashboards and chart. Next one is alerting, as name suggests. Alerts if something configuration notification channel based of policy tracks set of condition that can be defined using either uptime check or some metrics as industry standard. It's good practice to document possibly to step fix the alert and issue. When that condition is met, the alert service will be send a message to all configuration notification. Click alerting. So this is here Google Clouds, and you can see the alerting. Right, I haven't created, but create policy, edit notification channels, create policy. You can do the create policy and create policy. New condition, there is some condition we need to apply. What condition? Configuration like above threshold value, those are parameters, right? So you see here we provide a notification and it will send to notification. So uptime check. So uptime check is used to monitor particular service, app and resource. When they said service goes down, the incident is created based on that incident and alert sent to the configuration notice. Uptime check are also used to create alert policies in the KPI measurement, the service uptime. So uptime check can be configured using 3 protocols: HTTPS, and TCP. So this is how uptime. You can go here, uptime checks. I'm discarding previously. So uptime check, create uptime checks, num pb test. Okay, so next one is based on HTTPS, HTTP and TCP. URL, internal Kubernetes app engine instance, so a lot of things. Then location based, load balancer, minutes, check the frequencies, cross-check validations, all those things. So let's check here. HTTPS port, we send an email notification, then it's created, and we can see the uptime checks. Right, there is some issue in South America. The content status, uptime latency, percentage of time. You can see the different groups within the workspace. If there is a group together only particular resource and monitor, then separate you can do that using group by. For example, a service name image uploader, which use cloud function, a bucket and a pub sub topic. You can group all these resources and monitor them to once. Group also provide different things.